Hi, I'm Michelle. Today we're going to discuss the methods you can use to form your LLC in Wisconsin. We're going to be covering the steps involved in starting your LLC, the forms you're going to need, the naming requirements, and the 5 main steps needed to actually register your LLC. I'll also be explaining the importance of having a registered agent and a very key term known as piercing the corporate veil. Now, if these terms aren't more familiar to you, then I highly recommend you watch this video very closely. Agriculture and manufacturing businesses are doing great in Wisconsin. The state is known to produce about 26% of the nation's cheese and help with more than 1 million cows present in the state. Now, manufacturing is the state's biggest business industry. This is contributing to more than $63 billion to the state. Top manufactured products are metal products, paper industry, and the tobacco products. You can start your Wisconsin LLC by 3 methods. Number 1 is that you can do it yourself, in which case you can choose to fill out the forms online or send them off via mail. Number 2 is that you hire a professional service to do it for you, which is the most easy and secure method out there. We recommend ZenBusiness as one of the best and the most affordable services for this purpose. Number 3 is that you can go ahead and hire an attorney. Coming to a very common question, but an important one. What's an LLC? An LLC is a hybrid business entity combining a corporation's characteristics with a partnership or sole proprietorship. It separates your personal assets from your business assets and gives you personal asset protection. So when you're starting off your LLC in Wisconsin, you mainly have to file your certificate of formation and pay a filing fee of $130. Now let's talk a little bit about Zen Business. What are they offering? What are the plans? Let's talk a little bit about that. With Zen Business, you're getting 3 plans: a starter plan, a pro plan, and a premium plan. It's perhaps the only formation service company that offers 3 important features in all of its plans. Now the starter plan has all the essential services required to form your LLC. It's a suitable plan for you if you want something very budget friendly. It's starting off at $0. However, you do have to pay the mandatory state filing fees. It's very cost effective and offers all your essential services like a registered agent and an operating agreement draft. The Pro plan offers some essential services along with the services which are being offered in the starter plan. Also, in the Pro plan, it's going to take you lesser time to form your LLC. So what are you getting? You're getting advertising consultant, annual compliance, and expedited filing. The premium plan is by far the costliest plan which is being offered by Zen Business. The premium plan offers almost all the services related to the formation of an LLC, in addition to the services which were being mentioned in the first 2 plans, which was your starter plan and your pro plan. It offers you faster filing, business website, domain, and your very own email address. In this video, we're going to discuss options number 1 and number 2. We're going to place emphasis on why you need a professional service to do it for you, because you have to make sure you're doing your LLC work correctly. Now, this is one of those things where you can't afford missing key information or have any misunderstandings. Zen Business is a very competent professional service which you can get, because forming your LLC is not just filing the certificate of formation, but it's also deciding on a name, hiring a registered agent, creating an operating agreement, and obtaining an EIN. Now, all of these can be done super easily with Zen Business. I'm going to be leaving the links in the description below. You can go there and check them out for yourself. But for now, I'm going to talk in detail about the 5 main steps that you must cover when you're starting off your LLC. The first step is choosing a business name. Now, before you name your business, you must know that the name should be easy to remember, available in the state, and follows the LLC naming guidelines. You can find the naming guidelines at llcbuddy.com. The 4 key things that you need to be aware of when you're naming your LLC is that number 1, your business name should be available and no other business in Wisconsin can share that name. And each business name is unique to its owner. Number 2 is that limited liability company or LLC should be there as a suffix in the company name. Number 3 is that you cannot use any name for your business which could be confusing or misleading. So terms like FBI, State Department, CIA, they should not be included. Number 4 is that terms like bank, university, attorney, doctor, they can be added, but only after you fill out the additional requirements by the state government. If you do not wish to file your LLC right now, but you want to hold on to the name you have decided, then you can reserve your LLC name for 120 days. All you have to do is file a name reservation application and pay $15 to the Secretary of State. The second and highly vital step to forming your LLC in Wisconsin is to appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is an entity that's going to act and work on your LLC's behalf. They're going to receive all the important paperwork within Wisconsin. This is why you need to hire a competent registered agent for your LLC. You also need to make sure your agent is a resident of Wisconsin or at least has a physical street address over there. Their business address is going to be used as the LLC's principal address in Wisconsin. Most LLC formation companies do also provide registered agent services. ZenBusiness provides registered agent service as an add-on to the formation package, but you can also purchase it as a standalone service. Coming over to a very key thing that you need to know when you're getting a registered agent is that you need to have a legit one, because in case of a lawsuit or if you get sued, the lawyer of the other party is going to do what is known as piercing the corporate veil. Most people believe they're setting up their LLCs for tax purposes, but the real reason for setting up your LLC is to limit your liability. Basically, what it does is that it creates a divide between your personal assets and your business assets. So if you're sued in your business, they cannot go after your personal assets. So if you're sued, the attorney is the one suing you. They're going to start looking for little cracks in your LLC, and this is where they pierce the corporate veil. The first thing they're going to check is, do you have a registered agent? Is the agent legit? And have they been filing the paperwork? The third and another important step is filing the certificate of formation. The Wisconsin Articles of Organization is a legal document needed to officially register your business with the Secretary of State. It costs you around $130 to file your formation certificate. Now, the certificate includes details like the name of your LLC, registered agent's name, address, employee details, the structure of your company. Are you member managed? Are you manager managed? So before you start hiring employees in Wisconsin, you should really know about the rules and regulations thoroughly to avoid any future issues. We suggest using Zen Business to file your certificate of formation because they provide an easy way to fill out the forms without any confusion or missing any step. If you happen to get stuck anywhere, they have a great customer support service. You can go, ask your question, and they will respond to you. Fourth step is filing your operating agreement. An operating agreement is an internal document that legally outlines the proprietorship and the operating procedures of your LLC. This document is pretty vital as it ensures that all the business owners are on the same page regarding how they operate, their voting power, business resolutions, and a whole lot more. This actually helps reduce future conflicts. So when it comes to filing the Wisconsin LLC operating agreement, the state doesn't require you to have a very comprehensive operating agreement, but it is ideal to have one that contains the details of your business operation. It's recommended that it should be done by using a professional service like Zen Business, since they know exactly what to do and you won't have to worry about missing any detail. They provide this service as an add-on to your formation package for a very small fee. The EIN is also known as the Employer Identification Number. It's a 9-digit number given by the IRS to make it easier to identify businesses for tax purposes. Now, the EIN is necessary for any active business out there. When do you need one? It's when your LLC is going to start hiring employees. To obtain an EIN, you really have to fill up a form which can be done online or by mail and submit it to the IRS. You can also get an EIN through Zen Business, and they can help you with the whole process as well. I'll be leaving the links to all the resources in the description below. You can go there, check out which of the options fit your requirements. But for now, I'm going to show you how you can file your forms using Zen Business. Now, this is the main page for Zen Business. You can type up your business name and you can have a search over there and you can start off your LLC. Pick out the state you want to start your business in. Now they're going to run a name check, see if it's available or not in the first place. Do you have any prior business experience? Let them know if you're going to have any employees as well. Let them know if you want to have any physical location other than your home. So like if you're setting up a shop or you're going to be operating from home. Let them know what stage of business you're at. Let them know what your goals are. Is it a side business, primary income, or is it something new completely? Pick a category. Check if you want to save your progress or not. Now, they're even recommending you get a registered agent, and I really recommend you do. Do you need an EIN and business documents? Like I said in the video, you really should go through that rather than going to the IRS website and possibly making any mistake that could cost you your filing entirely. This is where they're going to tell you all of their packages. They have the starter plan, the pro plan, and the premium plan. This is going to break it down for you. The Pro plan is going to cost you $199 per year. It has its advantages. You can go through the full package detail as well. Zen Business Money Pro is an added feature which helps you manage your money and finances all in one place. Check if you want to get the expedited or rush filing. If you're in a hurry, you can go for it. If you're not and you can wait a couple of days, I recommend you do that. They also offer online tools like your custom website, domain name, privacy, email address. So if you're looking for that, you can add that on as well. Check if you want a customized operating agreement. Like I said earlier, it's better if you have one. Select if you want annual verified compliance. It's really up to you. It's basically them handling your annual taxes. Fill out your information here that they require, name and suffix, whatever they need, email and number. Review your order, see if you have anything you want to check or if you want to include anything or take away anything. And then you can just continue to payment. And that's all you need to set up your LLC with Zen Business. Now that you've created your Wisconsin LLC, there's a few things you're going to need. You need a company business bank account and a business credit card. You need to file the Wisconsin business permits and licenses. You need to get general liability insurance and professional liability insurance covering your employees. You need to file the Wisconsin annual report every single year. I really hope this detailed video helped you out on how to start off your LLC in Wisconsin, and I wish you the best of luck if you're starting off your business. Please continue supporting our channel by liking the video, subscribing to our channel, and clicking the notification button. Thank you for watching.